What is learning? Learning is to bring some changes in our behavior, skills, knowledge, or attitude. If you do not find changes in our behaviors or our knowledge or our skills, we cannot say the learning to be completed. For instance, we learn a phone number, we dial and talk to the person, and we forget. Can we call this learning? Never. Learning is not just about the curriculum content or the academic achievements. Apart from these, there are a lot more that takes place. Learning can happen without the help of a teacher or a parent. It could be incidental, it could be accidental. A learner tries to do something and makes it happen. If the child wants to learn something, he must have the readiness or the willingness to learn. This is how they cope up. Imagine a 5-year-old child, he needs a lot of play. The parent or the teacher should facilitate and be ready for this behavior, allowing a lot of play and physical activities in order to learn something. When they are ready to accept knowledge or they are learning, they are ready to apply it. This is what we need. The learning has to be applied somewhere. They use this skill when they accept knowledge. And this skill is used not just in the classroom or at home, but it's outside the world. They would start reading, writing, arithmetical problems to be solved, and much more. This is what we parents and teachers expect from the child, and this is the process that we need to consider, making them get ready to accept whatever they learn, and when they accept it, they are ready to apply it. So these are the two processes of learning. I hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends if you like.